This adorable ranch-style home is in a private setting and an established neighborhood. Have a seat in a rocking chair and enjoy the front porch with a glass of tea. Take in the enjoyable, peaceful, quiet surroundings. Fenced, flat, spacious yard with storage shed and plenty of room to entertain and play. The spacious back deck is perfect for grilling and relaxation. New granite countertops, freshly painted, new carpet, and completely move-in ready. Overlook the fenced backyard from the quaint eat-in kitchen area. Make this house a home and invite loved ones for dinner parties, barbecues, holiday gathers, and more. Grab a cup of cocoa and cozy up to the gas log fireplace and enjoy the tall windows in the living room. This floor plan is ideal for all size families. Arched window in the master bedroom allows for added charm. Ceiling fans in each bedroom and large closets throughout. Welcome home.